Anyone from Genesee? Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone, to the members and bias, and good afternoon, Charan sir. I have a question for you. Your portfolio entails the emphasis on social entrepreneurship, which is quite evident. Many students wish to work in urban areas. For a better, impactful social entrepreneurship, what can inspire students to contribute to their respective communities? For example, engineering students like us. Follow-up question, is there any opportunity for other schools which you are working in for students like us?
So, for entrepreneurs, I think the driving force should not be income. I want to get rich. It should be impact. You should be rich in impact, yeah? Not in just income. I believe the more people's problems you are able to solve, even if you are not rich that much, you are a bigger entrepreneur. You may solve the problem of the glaciers melting, problem of the farmers, but if you don't earn much, you may earn only 1 lakh rupees, you are much richer than somebody who just wants to take people to Mars and has $400 billion. I hope you understand. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Now, opportunities for you. Lot of opportunities to collaborate with us, but not in Ladakh, in your own village.
Thank you so much. Now, anyone from balcony? Only 2 questions we have to ask now, as we are running a short time. Yes. वहाँ माइक पहुँच गया है ऊपर? Yes, it is coming. It is coming. आप अगर जोर से बोल देते तो हमें सुनाई देगा. जैसे मैंने शुरू में कहा कि सब हमें दिखाई देता है, वैसे सुनाई भी देता है. जोर से पूछिए.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes,
What is the one skill do you think will be the most important skill for engineers, mostly upcoming engineers?
that empathy is the most important skill for engineers.
Yes, and now the last question.
Sir, is there any project or idea that you have thought in the past but couldn't make it into life?
Oh, so many. The list is endless. So many. Of course, you think of so many things and then only are able to use few, which is good, which is not a problem.
Any one best of them, I will make it into life. Any best of them. that you have thought?
Ideas.
Yeah. Idea or project.
I like simple things. So people ask me this when they visit our school. They say, which is your favorite innovation? We see a lot of solar devices, solar panels, solar cookers, solar this and solar energy all around. And I say, my favorite is not visible, not tangible or touchable. It is idea. And the idea that we use, among so many others, to save energy, save the environment, save pollution, one idea is, at this school you saw, it runs like a little country. It has its own government, parliament, so on, but it has its own time zone also. So we call it SECMOL Standard Time. And it is 1 hour ahead of Indian Standard Time. Now that's not a political thing. to keep it 1 hour ahead. It is just the best way to put teenagers to sleep early and to make them wake up early. You understand? And that's my best solar energy device. Normally what happens, people brag about their eco-friendly ideas all day, solar energy, and then they keep up till 12 or 1 and then sleep till 7 or 8. When the sun is so high, they are sleeping, and at night they think they are great using solar energy through lights. So I say the best solar panel in the world is your window. Just get up to use it. Okay? Don't sleep till 8 when you will never use that solar panel. Otherwise your room is solar lit when your window gets sun. So this timing makes people, because when it is 9 on normal clocks, our school strikes 10 p.m. So they feel sleepy and go to bed. Actually they are going to bed at 9, so don't tell them. Okay? And when they get up at 6 or 7 in winter, they think they are okay, normal, but they are actually getting up at 6 because it's 1 hour ahead. So that, very interestingly, this is just a small funny example, but I was doing back of the envelope calculations and I saw that if the whole world went to bed not too long after sunset or darkness and got up not too long after sunrise, then hundreds of thermal power plants can be shut. All the power. So, you can save the planet by sleeping. Just sleep right. So I'm giving you all a gift of a solar lighting system. Go take it as this gift and use it. It's in your room already. It's called the window. Just get up in time to use that light.
Thank you so much, sir. So, इतने सारे सवाल हमारे बच्चों के मन में हैं और समय की थोड़ी कमी है.
Last question.
मैं 50 साल शिक्षा से शिक्षक रहा हूँ, योजना आयोग में भी रहा और ये सब चीज़ों में ये मानव प्रकृति और समाज का रिश्ता जो आज नष्ट हो गया है और ये इतना प्रेरणादायी आप जो बोल रहे हैं, तो ये इतनी मूर्खता की विकास प्रणाली और जीवन शैली हमने स्वीकार की है, उसको हम किस रफ्तार से बदल सकेंगे? बड़ी पीड़ा है. 1.5 डिग्री तो हम पहुंच गए, तो उम्मीद क्या है और कैसे? आपका पूरा व्याख्यान एक जीवन के लिए अनुभव है और मैं इनके साथ जो जुड़ा हूँ उसमें भी मुझे बड़ा संतोष है. लेकिन क्या हम किस धरती को बचा सकेंगे, मानव को बचा? आज की जो स्थिति है देश और दुनिया की, बहुत पीड़ा से नहीं सकता. मैं आपको जानता हूँ, इसीलिए दृढ़ता की कोशिश.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. ये पेचीदा सा सवाल है कि जिस हद तक हम मानव व्यक्ति को लाए हैं, अब विनाश के कागार पर खड़ा है, कैसे बचाएं? उम्मीद तो मैं ये करता हूँ कि वक्त आने पर सब जाग जाते हैं. थोड़ी वक्त का झटका लगे तो जागते हैं, मगर कभी कभी नहीं भी जागते हैं और विलुप्त हो जाते हैं. तो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि जागें और बचें. नहीं जागें, विलुप्त हो भी तो वो भी प्रकृति है, वो भी प्रकृति है और हमने खुद अपना भविष्य खुद हाथों से बनाया. तो इसका मुझे जरा भी दुख नहीं होगा अगर मनुष्य जाति ही विलुप्त हो जाए. तो दुख इस बात का है कि बाकी प्राणियों ने कुछ किया नहीं, वो भी विलुप्त होंगे. मुझे उनका दुख है, मनुष्य का कोई वो नहीं है. निएंडरथल्स थे ना, वो चले गए, कौन रो रहा है आज? तो ऐसे ही होमोसेपियंस जाएंगे. बल्कि कभी कभी तो ये दिखता है कि मानव का न बचना शायद बाकियों को बचाएगी. ये तो
सर, मैं आपको बस इतना अवगत कर दूं कि जैसे हमारे विद्यार्थी यहाँ बैठे हैं, वैसे हमारे और 3 ऑडिटोरियम हैं जहाँ विद्यार्थी आपको सुन रहे हैं. तो इतने सारे हमारे विद्यार्थी हैं जो आपसे वार्तालाप करना चाहते हैं. तो ये समय तो बहुत कम है. हमारे मैनेजमेंट से भी हम दरख्वास्त करेंगे कि फिर से एक बार हम आपके साथ वार्तालाप के लिए यहाँ फिर कभी आए. बट रनिंग फॉर अ शॉर्ट टाइम, मैं अभी अनुरोध करूंगी माननीय शशांक दलवी सर BC यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हेल्थ साइंसेस के। कृपया आप धन्यवाद प्रदर्शित करें।
Good afternoon. On the occasion of 42nd Foundation Day of MGM Trust, best wishes, Shubhakamnaएं, Shubhecha, and now Jule to all. Sir, it is very splendid privilege to stand and deliver vote of thanks on behalf of our organization MGM Trust. Today has been a great day in the history of the MGM Trust, which will be remembered ever surely, as we had the honor of hearing from you on this particular day and celebrating the remarkable contributions of education reformist and environmentalist. Just now you have expressed the desire to come here again, but sir, I have also agreed that I will talk today on the education reformist and I will come on some other occasion for the environmentalist. So thank you for that also, sir. Sir, you have rightly mentioned the 3R, how it is wrong, which has started as a misnomer. So naturally, the course, whole event of the course, that will be the misnomer. And as you have mentioned, the heads, hands, and the hearts, the 3H philosophy of the education, which is also the definition of education given by our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. That particular philosophy also coincides with that particular definition of Mahatma Gandhi. We are extremely thankful to sir come here, spend your time, interact with us, answer to the all, particularly you have given the answer to the skill, the empathy, which is also the motto of our mission to wipe every tear from every eye. We are very much thankful and indebted to you, sir. Express sincere thanks, Satan Dorji, sir, the elder brother of Honorable Sri Sonam Wangchuk. Express thanks and gratitude for Chairman, Chancellor and Trustee, Vice Chairman, all the trustees, the dignitaries in the dais, Meda Patkarji, dignitaries of the dais, and all the students, particularly for this celebration of this day, giving the opportunity to us to interact with Honorable Sonam Wangchuk. So thanks to each one. So, thank you very much. Thank you everybody.
Thank you so much, sir. With this, we will conclude our this session. Thank you so much. जैसे मैंने आप सभी को शुरू में बताया है, हमारे सम्माननीय अतिथि पहले यहाँ से प्रस्थान करेंगे, उस पश्चात हम लोग ऑडिटोरियम से एक-एक के रूम में बाहर जाएंगे. Thank you so much.